Hello, and congratulations on your new purchase of the Viridian Weapon Technologies C-Series unit. Today, we will show you how to properly install this unit on your firearm. We will be installing the C5L on the Springfield XDS. However, these steps work to install any C-Series unit on a standard Picatinny or Weaver rail. Pick up your firearm. Keeping the firearm pointed in a safe direction, remove the magazine. Then, open the action. Visually and manually check that there is nothing in the chamber. Keeping the slide locked to the rear, insert a chamber check and close the action. Keep the chamber check in at all times while you're installing the C-Series laser. After unboxing your Viridian C-Series unit, please make sure you have the following items. The C-Series unit. 1. CR2 battery. Your product manual. A flag tool to adjust windage and elevation, as well as removing or tightening your rail set screws. 2 rail set screws. 3 rail sets. A warning sticker. 1 cross mount screw. A plastic toolbox. First, loosen the rail set screws on either side of the unit. Slide the unit onto the rail, checking to see if the rail set on the unit is correct for your gun. You should look for the unit to sit against or close to the trigger guard. Pick up your cross mount screw and slide it through the notch in your rail. Tighten the rail set screws on your unit, securing the rail set into the unit. It is normal for the rail set to flex out or cant slightly, and that will not affect the unit's ability to hold zero. Next, grab a quarter and line it up with the slot on the battery cap. Turning counterclockwise, back the battery cap out of the unit. Insert the Viridian Tactical Energy CR2 battery in the unit. Positive side first. The flat, negative side of the battery will be visible to you when the battery is inserted correctly. Line up the battery cap with the threads and turn the cap counterclockwise until the cap falls into place. This is to prevent cross-threading your unit. Once you're sure the threads are lined up, you can then turn the cap clockwise to tighten it down. Push one of the activation buttons to turn it on. Push one button again to turn it off. To switch modes, turn the unit on by pushing one button. Then press both buttons simultaneously. This will allow you to cycle through the modes. When your battery gets low, you will notice that the laser and light both strobe, and it does not allow you to switch modes. To be able to change the modes again, simply swap the battery out with a fresh one. To use your unit with an instant-on holster, like the Viridian TacLoc, turn your unit on and cycle to the mode you wish to come on when unholstered. Holster the gun. You will see the unit turned off when in the holster, but when you draw, it's on. We hope this video has helped you install your Viridian C-Series unit. If you have any other questions, please give our customer service department a call at 800-990-9390. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. We can also be reached by email, info@viridianweapontech.com.